So you want to be more glamorous on a day-to-day basis, but you wonder how? How can you incorporate this glamour into your daily life without looking overdressed and still appropriate? Here are a few tips, so you feel like your most glamorous and classiest self. I'm Mia from The Feminine Secret, the place for glamour and femininity. Tip number 1, add sparkling jewelry. A statement earring, a ring or a bracelet. Let it be bold, let it be glittery and let it shine. Tip number 2, add bold lipstick like I have now. Yes, I can understand it might be a bit uncomfortable using bold red lips on a daily basis. But it doesn't have to be too bold. For example, you will most of the time see me wearing a muted red, so not a very huge red, bright red, but more of a darker red, of a muted red. I think it's much more appropriate on most occasions in your day-to-day life than a very bright and catching red. And it still looks very elegant and looks more glamorous. Number 3, red nail polish. There's just something about a red nail polish which transforms your hands. Skip the nude, skip the French manicure, go for some red so you can really feel the most glamorous self. And my last tip, wear some heels. I know, you don't need to go for extreme heels, but for your day-to-day life, I would recommend something like that. Ankle boots, but with a small lift, because this lifts will straighten up your posture, you will walk straighter, and you will definitely appear more glamorous using a little bit of lift. When it comes to glamour, hair is very important, and I have a whole playlist about glamorous hairstyles. For example, this hairstyle right now I also recreated. I will link it somewhere in here so you can find the tutorial. It's a very quick and easy tutorial. It took me, I guess, 5 minutes, maybe 10. And it's really simple. It looks very glamorous, so please try it out if you want. Subscribe to my channel for more glamour, and as always, stay chic and thank you so much for watching. Bye!